Welcome back or welcome to Katrina's Price's Home Life and More. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. Make sure to follow me on IG and Facebook. Now enjoy the video.
I feel like a stranger, his love came and found me the same.
So here's a look back at June the 4th, 2024, when Mom and I started our summer in-ground vegetable garden.
All in you, everything I need is...
We planted mostly seeds and then we added sweet potato vines. And this is our 2 weeks garden update.
What is love that the God of the heavens would stoop down to love me with grace? In the midst of my pride and rebellion, his love wouldn't give up the chase.
We're growing butter beans, cucumbers,
Everything I need is found in you. All in you. Everything I need is found in you.
sweet Carolina corn,
Everything I need is found in you. All in you. Everything I need is found in you.
okra, oh that's for Mom,
When I'm lost, when I'm scared.
and sweet potatoes.
Everything that I need is made in you complete. Everything I need is found in
I think that's called good groceries. So special thanks and shout out to my brother for coming in and tilling our garden because, Mom and I can't hoe at this time. But everything is coming up nicely. Thanks so much for stopping by for this garden update.
I need is found in you.
And if you're new here, go ahead and like this video. Give me that big thumbs up. Leave a kind comment below. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss my future uploads. And if you love Amazon, well, check the description box below because my Amazon store is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your shopping convenience. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you on Tuesday at 6 p.m.